Hi there and welcome to today's video on history and innovation of Google AdSense. Google AdSense was introduced in 2003, revolutionizing the way websites could make money from their online content. The program allowed websites to display targeted ads and earn a percentage of the revenue generated from clicks on those ads. Google AdSense has continued to evolve and innovate, providing new features and tools to help website owners maximize their earning potential. One major innovation was the introduction of mobile-friendly ad units, allowing website owners to monetize their mobile traffic. Additionally, Google has continued to improve the targeting and relevance of the ads displayed, leading to higher engagement and earnings for website owners. AdSense has become an essential component of the digital advertising ecosystem, offering advertisers a platform to reach millions of users and website owners a way to monetize their traffic. It's also a key component of Google's advertising business, contributing to their position as one of the largest advertising companies in the world. One of the unique aspects of AdSense is its simplicity and accessibility. Anyone with a website or blog can sign up for the program and start earning money from their content with just a few clicks. This has led to a proliferation of niche websites and blogs, and has empowered individuals and small businesses to earn a living online. Another factor in AdSense's success is its ability to adapt to the changing landscape of the online world. For example, AdSense now supports a wide range of ad formats, including display ads, video ads, and even in-feed ads, allowing website owners to monetize their traffic in new and innovative ways. As we look to the future, it's clear that AdSense will continue to play a vital role in the online advertising industry. With its focus on innovation, user experience, and accessibility, AdSense will continue to provide value to both advertisers and website owners alike. AdSense has not only changed the way website owners monetize their content, but it has also changed the way advertisers reach their target audience. With AdSense, advertisers can target specific demographics, interests, and geographic locations, resulting in highly relevant and effective advertising campaigns. Google has also introduced advanced reporting and tracking features, allowing website owners to track their earnings and monitor the performance of their ads. These features help website owners optimize their AdSense campaigns for maximum earnings, making the program even more valuable for those who use it. Another important aspect of AdSense is its commitment to user experience. AdSense places strict guidelines on the types of ads that can be displayed, ensuring that they are relevant, high quality, and non-intrusive. This has helped to build trust between users and website owners, and has made AdSense a go-to platform for advertisers who want to reach their target audience in an effective and ethical way. Finally, it's worth noting that AdSense has had a positive impact on the online community as a whole. By providing a new way for website owners to earn money from their content, AdSense has helped to create a more diverse and vibrant online world, where individuals and small businesses can thrive. AdSense has also helped to level the playing field in the advertising industry, allowing small and medium-sized businesses to compete with larger companies for advertising dollars. By providing a platform for targeted, effective advertising, AdSense has made it possible for small businesses to reach their target audience at a fraction of the cost of traditional advertising methods. Moreover, AdSense has also had a positive impact on the world of content creation. By providing a way for website owners to earn money from their content, AdSense has encouraged the creation of high-quality, informative, and entertaining content, helping to make the internet a more informative and engaging place for everyone. Google has also made efforts to expand the reach of AdSense, including partnerships with leading media companies and the development of AdSense for games, allowing game developers to monetize their games and reach a wider audience. These efforts have helped to further solidify AdSense's position as a leader in the online advertising industry. It's also worth mentioning that AdSense has a strong commitment to transparency and fairness. AdSense has implemented strict policies to prevent fraud and abuse, ensuring that website owners and advertisers are protected and that the program remains a safe and trustworthy platform for all involved. In conclusion, the history and innovation of Google AdSense is a story of success, impact, and continued growth. With its focus on innovation, user experience, and fairness, AdSense will continue to play a vital role in the online advertising industry for years to come. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them below. And don't forget to subscribe for more informative and engaging videos.